Hello po, good day. Panito na po yung inyong Nintendo Switch Lite. Unit, 1 TB that you've availed po sa amin. So yung Switch po ninyo is naka-dual boot na rin po siya. It has yung ating jailbreak mode and legit mode. Currently, ina-access muna natin yung ating jailbreak mode. Automatic na rin po siya. Every time that we turn on normally our Switch, ang una nga pong i-access ay ang jailbreak mode first. So wait na natin na mag-load. Yeah. So this is Animal Crossing design. Our SD card, inserted na rin po siya sa inyong Switch unit. Serial ending in 8748. Now, because we have availed 1 TB, yung mga requested games po ninyo, ito po lahat yung ating na-install. So, marami na rin po kayo mga games na pwede ninyong pagpilian. So, this is for 1 TB. And then sa album folder, andito po ang ating mga homebrew applications. Pakita ko lang din pala yung charging ng ating Switch unit. So battery percentage right now is at 96%. Sabi ko lang yung charger that's also included with your package. So charging, side A, and then baliktad ko lang. Charging, side B as well. So let's leave it charging for now. And then if you're going to check rin po yung inyong serial number, expect na hindi po siya lalabas dito kasi one of our band prevention is minamask po natin yung serial number during jailbreak mode. So makikita po ninyo na napa-00 pang inyong serial. Now you don't need to worry naman kasi makikita nyo rin yung inyong serial once you've accessed your legit mode. Papita po lang din yung testing ng ating buttons. So let's start with our left analog, no ghosting or drifting, and with our right analog, down, left, right, same thing, no ghosting or drifting. And with our buttons naman, ZR, ZL natin, LR, our ABXY, directional buttons, plus minus, analog buttons natin, and ating screenshot. And our touch screen. And lastly, yung ating home button. So, turn off lang natin yung ating switch and access naman natin this time yung ating legit mode. So, before we turn on our unit, we just need to wait lang po na mga around 10 to 15 seconds to make sure na yung mod chip natin sa loob is totally naka-turned off na rin. By the way, this order pala is going to Florida Blanca, Pampanga. Turning on. Then once you see the logo na lumabas, hold down nyo lang po agad yung ating volume down button para mapunta tayo sa ating Hecate menu selection. And at this time, we can choose our legit mode Sisnand. So sa legit mode po natin, dito tayo pwede mag-access ng ating eShop, multiplayer online, or if you have physical game cartridges, dito nyo rin po siya pwedeng laruin. Now because nasa legit mode po tayo ngayon, if you are going to check yung inyong album folder, expect na hindi po ninyo makikita dito yung mga homebrew applications. Rather, pag meron na po kayong mga nakasave na photos or screenshots, dito po siya lalabas. And as what I mentioned before, yung serial po ninyo, dito nyo po makikita during your legit mode access. So serial ending in 8748, which is the same po dito sa sticker sa ilalim ng inyong Switch unit. So I'll be also sending separate photos of the other inclusions that we have for your package. Check lang natin. So we started charging our unit at, I think, 96%. Now it has gone up to 97%. Okay na rin po yung inyong Switch. Bale, ipapack na lang din namin and then wait na lang namin yung courier for pickup. Pa-wait na lang din po na mag-update yung tracking information sa inyong app. Thank you po and happy gaming!